The OnePlus 7 Pro was launched in 2019, but it still packs a punch. Let's jump into the top 5 reasons why you might want to snag a OnePlus 7 Pro in 2024. The 7 Pro boasts the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which was top of the line back then and still holds its own today. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, this phone is a multitasking monster. Games run flawlessly, apps launch instantly, and you'll experience buttery smooth performance. It is known for their software optimization, and the 7 Pro is no exception. Oxygen OS is clean, bloatware-free, and feels incredibly responsive. OnePlus ditched the notch on the 7 Pro, giving you a gorgeous uninterrupted 6.67-inch AMOLED display. It's a 1440 pixels panel, so text is super sharp and visuals are incredibly vivid. Unlike some competitors, you get a super smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations feel incredibly fluid. Plus, the 7 Pro offers a bunch of display customization options, so you can fine-tune the colors and white balance to your liking. The 7 Pro hides its front-facing camera in a motorized pop-up mechanism. It's a cool party trick, but more importantly, it lets you experience a true full-screen display. The camera itself is a 16-megapixel shooter and takes great selfies and video calls. Now, some phone makers sacrificed speaker quality for slim bezels. Thankfully, the OnePlus 7 Pro avoids that pitfall. The speakers deliver a surprisingly clear and well-balanced stereo sound experience. The OnePlus 7 Pro has a sleek and stylish design. The curved glass back feels luxurious in the hand, and the phone is incredibly thin despite the powerful hardware inside. It is a bit on the heavy side, but that just adds to the feeling of a solid, well-built device. OnePlus's Oxygen OS is a major reason why people love their phones. It's a clean, bloatware-free version of Android that offers tons of customization options. You can tweak the look and feel of your phone to match your style. Oxygen OS is known for being fast and responsive, perfectly complementing the powerful hardware of the 7 Pro. These are all features some users consider important. However, the 7 Pro launched at a competitive price back in 2019, and you might find amazing deals in 2024. Let me know in the comments if you'd consider buying a OnePlus 7 Pro in 2024. And if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech content.